All right, we are working on multiplying 46 times 64 using the standard algorithm. I know that this is really 4 times 46 and 60 times 46. I'm going to start here with multiplying the 4 times 6. And when I multiply 4 times 6, I get 24. I'm going to put the 4 there and carry that 2 over. 4 times 4 is 16, plus that 2 is 18, and I'm going to write that there. And when we multiply 4 times 46, we end up with 184. I'm going to cross that 2 out because I will not need it when I go to multiply by 60 or 6. Now I'm going to put a 0 on my next line down because I'm going to treat this as a 6 times 46, not 60 times 46. We shifted from the ones place to the tens place. That 0 is representing that shift over. So now I can focus on multiplying 6 times 46. When I multiply 6 times 6, I end up with 36. I'm going to put the 6 there and carry that 3 over. 6 times 4 is 24, plus that 3 is going to get me to 27. I'm going to write that just like that. And now that I have the product of 4 times 46 and 60 times 46, we need to add these numbers together. When we add 4 plus 0, we end up with 4. 8 plus 6 is 14. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 7 is 9. And I'm going to bring that 2 down because there's nothing to multiply or add it with. We end up with a product of 2,944.